Hi there. This is my first attempt at a do-it-yourself video. My pilot light and my Bradford white Defender water heater went out. Once again, the basement got flooded. I discovered it when I tried to take a shower this morning, and I am going to try and relight it. All the other do-it-yourself videos on how to relight this were men's voices. So with my little mask on, my N95, so I don't inhale mold spores, you see the little red switch at the bottom. It has been on off for 5 minutes. And now you're supposed to put it on pilot and hold it in for like 30 seconds. And as you're doing this, then you're supposed to press the ignite button, which is right underneath. Uh-oh, how am I going to do this and hold the phone? Let's see, press it. And this little light here is supposed to turn green. I don't want to spend another $170 to have them come out to just do this. Let me put the phone between my knees and use 2 hands. Oh, ooey. Oops, I think I got it. Oops. I saw the green light a little bit. Ooh, that's blinking. But I don't see any. Oh my goodness, do you hear that? Oh my goodness, it went on. So that's what you do. When the green light goes on and it starts blinking, I don't see the light though. It's got to be in there. Shoot. Because I hear it. Maybe I don't. Oh, it's going. I couldn't see it because the light was shining on it. Oh my goodness. Success. Success. So what you have to do, after the little green status light is blinking, that little green status light, oh, I broke a nail, then you put it on the temperature you want. I have it between A and B because that's what I had it on before. So I just repeated, and I've never done this before at all. Hallelujah. Oh my goodness, I hope this helps somebody else. Bye.